Who yelled out of your Jeep when you went by us?
It was Brandon.
What'd you have to say?
Nothing.
No, tell me one more time and you're going to jail, son. How old are you?
17.
I didn't know y'all could be so goddamn stupid anymore. Technically, I can't search your damn Jeep and I can't touch y'all, and I don't want to.
I mean, what you did is not breaking the law. You didn't break the law, it's freedom of speech.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. This public domain dashcam and bodycam footage originally appeared on the channel Police Activity and shows that on November 23rd of 2016, Officer James Sanders of the Social Circle Police Department was out on patrol when he noticed a black Jeep drive past his cruiser. When it passed, one of the teenage passengers allegedly yelled "F the police" out of the window. Officer Sanders immediately pursued the vehicle and initiated an unlawful traffic stop, also failing to call it in to dispatch.
How you doing, officer?
How's it going? License and insurance.
Castle, I got pulled over?
Yeah, I'll be glad to tell you in just 1 second. Is everybody all right?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Who yelled out the window?
I don't know.
None of us.
Yeah, come on back here with me, Mr. Bird.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bird,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna ask you one time. How long you had your license?
Over 6 months.
Over 6 months. So you're good to haul everybody around in there, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna ask you one time.
Yes, sir.
All right. If you don't, we're gonna go another route with it. Who yelled out of your Jeep when you went by us?
It was Brandon.
Who?
Brandon.
Which one's Brandon?
In the front seat.
Rule number 1. Never talk to cops. The officer's inquiries should have been answered with the appropriate phrase, "I don't answer questions." After interrogating the driver, Officer Sanders removed the 17-year-old that allegedly yelled from the vehicle.
Got the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
What'd you have to say?
Nothing.
No, tell me one more time and you're going to jail, son. What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon? I know who you are.
Yes, sir.
Is there something you need to say to us that you want to yell out the window?
No, sir.
Who you yelling at? Look at me when you talk to me, son. Who you gonna yell at? What'd you say? F the police.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Yes, sir.
Why you want to say that to the police?
I don't know. Y'all protect us. I shouldn't have.
No, I ain't protecting you.
All valid.
Yes, sir.
Negative. 2005 Pontiac 5.
F the police.
Brandy
Why?
Lansford.
You can get back. Why do you want to F the police, son?
I don't.
Why you say it then? You think it's gonna make you a badass or something in front of
sir, I
everybody?
don't. No, sir, I don't, because I'm getting fussed at right now.
You want to fuck the police?
No, sir.
Well, here I am, right here, brother.
I don't want to.
Why not?
don't
You're a
want-
tough guy. Come on.
I'm not tough.
Huh?
I'm not tough.
You seem like a little baby the day you was in court, remember?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you every opportunity.
No, sir.
Then why you want to yell about it when you're in front of your buddies right there? Is it cool?
No, sir.
You trying to be a badass in front of them?
No, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you every opportunity
Yes,
to f me up. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask you this. What have I ever done to you?
Nothing at all.
Not a damn thing.
Yes.
What has my partner ever done to you?
Not a thing.
Not a damn thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So why do you want to f the police?
I I don't. I was being dumb.
No, it's a little bit more than being stupid is what I think.
Ignorant.
17.
So let me ask you something. Next time you get caught selling or having on you, do you think somebody's going to try to cut you a break? If I go to goddamn jerking everybody out of that damn Jeep and I find 1 ounce of damn, do you think I'm going to take everybody to jail?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Just me.
No, hell, I'm going to take every one of your damn friends to jail.
Yes, sir.
Officer Sanders threatens Brandon with arrest if he doesn't answer his questions, then proceeds to challenge the child to a fight. It takes a real brave man to challenge a teen that weighs a fraction of you, while armed with multiple lethal devices and a radio to request backup. Officer Sanders continues.
How old are you?
6, 17.
I didn't know y'all could be so goddamn stupid anymore. Everybody get out of the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
You want to see how big of a damn police is going to be? I'm fixing to show you. We're fixing to search every damn one of you and every damn ounce of this Jeep. Man, so help me God, if I find one damn seed, every damn one of you is going to go to jail because of the police, son.
Yes, sir.
17. Can you 25 with me up at Checkers?
Officer Sanders is now conducting an illegal search of the vehicle in retaliation for having his feelings hurt.
17, regular, show me that one. Show me that.
It's funny, ain't it?
No, sir.
Did y'all laugh?
No, sir.
Huh? Did you laugh?
No, sir.
Did you laugh?
217, are y'all on a
You
call?
think it's funny? Yeah, radio. Show me 1038. Charlie Echo Yankee 6704. CEY 6704. Be North Cherokee at Checkers. This smart ass right here says the police.
38.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Who you want first?
Bird, you can get back in the damn Jeep, son. You ain't done nothing wrong. Y'all two pile back in there. Y'all ain't done nothing wrong. Ain't no sense in y'all paying for this stupid ass's damn. That's that knucklehead off of Elm Street right there.
Yeah, that don't remember y'all from.
He don't believe it, but I swear to God I can beat him in basketball.
You can't shoot. You still gotta play me.
I'm still waiting for you.
I've been asking you since I was on Elder.
Dude, let me tell you something. I got 2 damn torn up ligaments. I will smoke both of y'all. Y'all can play 2-on-1.
Take you out the game.
Let me tell you something. You'd be so damn. You'd be on your little skinny ass. I'm telling you. You ever seen Charles Barkley play?
We'll take you out the booth.
Why, dude? You know who this is? What's your stepdaddy's name?
Brian.
Stepson.
What?
Yeah. The police.
What have we done to you?
Hey, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you. Technically, I can't search your damn Jeep and I can't touch y'all, and I don't want to. I'm not an ass like that.
What'd you need?
Okay? But I'm gonna tell you something. If you hang around dickheads like this,
Somebody's breaking in.
somebody's gonna mess with
You
you.
gonna call and say, the police, I don't need
Okay?
y'all?
I suggest y'all going somewhere.
sorry?
Y'all jet.
We're just gonna eat.
Where y'all going to eat? Make his ass walk.
You just wasn't thinking?
Hey, we'll see you at Wing Factory, bro.
You know, we have to put up with a lot of shit as it is.
Yes, sir.
I mean, there's cops getting getting killed on traffic stops and stuff like that, and then you ride by and you holler that.
Disrespectful.
Yes, sir, it is. And we're out here to save your butt.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Let me hang on one second, Bird. Hey, let me ask you this.
Yes, sir.
You upset because you did it, or you upset because you got caught?
Honestly, both. It was disrespectful when I was raised better. Just being dumb.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know that you. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
I mean, what you did is not breaking the law. You didn't break the law, it's freedom of speech.
Yes, sir.
But still, I mean, just to blatantly out, just hollering out while we're trying to do our job.
Yes, sir.
What if that was a DUI person, I just stopped on the side of the road and got them off the street, keep from hitting somebody in your family and killing them?
Yes, sir.
You got to look at it, you know what I'm saying, that it all goes around.
Yes, sir.
I mean, why do you really feel like that? Because you really feel like that. Huh? I mean, I would be okay if you just trying to be a badass in front of your boys.
I mean,
Because you obviously have some pent-up frustrations. And I'm going to tell you right now, neither one of us done anything to you.
yes, sir, I know.
So tell me, be honest about it. Why in the world do you really feel that way? Because deep down you have to feel it. Because that you know what? I've done some crazy stuff in my life. Not once have I ever said that.
Have you ever had a bad run-in with the police or anything?
Yeah, bub.
Can I pull in and get some gas real quick?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
I guess all the pictures everybody paints about y'all.
And you buy into that crap?
Paint your own picture, dude. I mean, we ain't never done anything to you.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I'm not saying not all cops are good, because you do got some bad cops out there, but I don't consider myself one of them.
Yes, sir.
I mean, if you was in a car accident, whatever, I'd do my best to try to save your life.
Yes, sir.
And that includes putting ourselves in danger doing it.
Yes, sir.
Get out of here. I'm tired of dealing with you.
Eventually, the teens were let go. 2 years prior, Officer Sanders was written up for threatening to blow up a local school over an argument about getting paid for doing off-duty security. That incident should have probably ended his career. Instead, he remained on duty until this incident, which he was promptly fired for. It's unclear whether the teen filed a lawsuit, as I'm sure it would have been an easy win and the officer would have likely lost qualified immunity in his individual capacity. This is an example of what happens when you act on emotion. As always, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.